Today I'm going to show you how to do that 2-stitch right twist purlwise. You'll see on the right side of your work it's a right leaning, it's actually a cable stitch, but because it's only 2 stitches we're going to do it directly off the needle. So your pattern, you're going to knit or pull as indicated in your pattern, then it's going to say 2-stitch RTP. So we're going to use 2 stitches to do a right twist purlwise. Your yarn is in the front because we're going to pull. You're not going to go in by the first stitch. We're going to enter through the 2nd stitch on the left hand needle. You're going to pull that stitch, but we're not going to drop it off the needle because now we need to pull the first stitch on the needle. So you take your needle again, you enter by the first stitch, wrap around, pull it through. Now you'll see you've got the 2 stitches on the right hand needle, and we can proceed to drop those 2 stitches off the left hand needle. And that is the right twist purlwise using 2 stitches. So let me show you that once more. You're going to knit or pull as indicated in your pattern. Then it's going to say 2-stitch RTP. So it's 2 stitches right twist purlwise. We're not going to go into the first stitch because you would have gone there to do a normal pull stitch. We're going to skip the first one. We're going to go directly into the 2nd stitch. We pull that stitch. We do not drop it off the left hand needle, and then you take your needle and you go in by the first stitch and we pull that stitch. Once you've got your 2 stitches, you did the back one, the 2nd one and the first one, then you can proceed to drop both of those stitches off the left hand needle. And that is how you do a 2-stitch right twist purlwise.